If you don't understand GetResponse pricing plan, you are coming to the right place, because today I will explain GetResponse pricing plan in details. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. Before watching our video, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my upcoming video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So guys, let's dive in. Guys, when you visit GetResponse, you can see they provide a free plan. This free plan, they provide email marketing service, website builder. You can create a website. This plan, they provide connected domain. You can easily connect your domain list for up to 500 contact. You can 500 contact your list with GetResponse. They provide a landing page. You can easily create a landing page, sign up and contact from. They also provide free plan. These features, they are provide this free plan. But when you click GetResponse pricing plan, you can see they provide three pricing plan: email marketing plan, marketing automation, and e-commerce marketing. When you choose GetResponse email marketing plan, they provide unlimited newsletter, autoresponder, basic segmentation, website and landing page, sign up from and pop up. This email marketing pricing plan, you can pay $19 per month, but if you want to choose 12 months, you can easily save 18% discount, so that you can pay $15 per month. But if you want, you can choose 24-month plan. You can easily save 30%, then you pay $13 per month. This pricing plan, you can added your contact list 1000. If you want, you can choose your contact list. But when you choose your contact list, guys, when I choose 2500 contact list, you can pay $23.78 per month. They also provide free plan included this email marketing plan. When you choose marketing automation pricing plan, they provide all free plan and email marketing pricing plan included this marketing automation plan. They also provide marketing automation features, event based automation. They provide webinar features, advanced segmentation, contact scoring, sales funnel. Normally this market automation plan $59 per month, but when you choose 1 year plan, you can save easily 18%, and then you pay $48 per month. When you choose 2 year plan, you can easily save 30%, and then you $41 per month. When you choose e-commerce marketing plan, they all provide marketing automation plan, and also they provide quick transactional email, e-commerce segmentation, abandoned cart recovery, promo code, product recommendation, or push notification. You just pay $119 per month. But when you choose 12-month plan, you can easily save 18%, and then you pay $97 per month. When you choose 2 year plan, you can easily save 30%, then you pay $83 per month. Guys, when you added your contact more, you can choose any contact list, but pricing plan is growing. Let's see guys, compare all plans, what they can actually provide. Three plan, they provide newsletter. All plan, they provide monthly email send unlimited. Visual email editor, all plan they provide. Custom DKIM, they provide. Inbox preview, they provide all plan. When you choose email marketing plan, they don't provide perfect timing, but marketing automation and e-commerce marketing, they provide perfect timing features. They don't provide time travel email marketing plan. On the other hand, two plan they provide. A/B testing, they provide. All plan RSS to email, they provide. Click tracking, they provide. All plan email marketing and marketing automation plan, they don't provide e-commerce tracking, but e-commerce marketing plan, they provide e-commerce tracking. Product box not provide email marketing plan, but otherwise provide. Recommended product plan don't provide email marketing and marketing automation, but e-commerce marketing plan provide these features. Abandon cart trigger don't provide these two plan. Promo code, they don't provide email marketing plan and marketing automation plan, but e-commerce marketing plan, they provide these features. You don't create build from scratch automation email marketing plan, because they don't provide these features. Drip campaign don't provide email marketing plan. Click and open follow up don't provide email marketing plan. Contact tracking not provide. Contact scoring not provide. Guys, email marketing plan. Visited URL automation don't provide email marketing plan. Event based automation don't provide email marketing plan. Send push notification features don't provide email marketing plan. And marketing automation, these features limited, but e-commerce marketing plan, they provide unlimited. features. SMS marketing automation, they don't provide any plan. Purchase automation provide just e-commerce marketing plan. Dynamic segmentation, they don't provide email marketing plan. Fleet automation, they don't provide email marketing plan. Amount filter don't provide email marketing plan. When you choose email marketing plan, you can just one user choose this plan. When you choose market automation plan, 3 user use this plan. If you want, you can easily 5 user e-commerce marketing plan. Rules management don't provide email marketing plan. They don't provide dedicated customer experience manager any plan. GetResponse don't provide phone support. Slack support, they don't provide. Dedicated IP, they don't provide, guys. Dedicated sending domain, they don't provide. Single sign-on, they don't provide. Rebranding option, dedicated onboarding development stage support, they don't provide this plan. They provide 10 GB bandwidth email marketing plan. But when you choose marketing automation, they provide unlimited, and e-commerce marketing plan unlimited. When you choose email marketing plan, you create one website, this plan. Marketing automation plan, you create 5 website, this. When you choose e-commerce marketing plan, you can create 5 website. Email marketing plan, they don't provide payment gateway integration. Quick transactional email, they only provide email marketing plan. They don't provide email marketing plan webinar. 180 webinar, they provide marketing automation plan, and 380 e-commerce marketing plan, they provide webinar. Marketing automation plan, their recording storage provide 3 hours, and when you choose e-commerce marketing plan, they provide 6 hours. Or push notification marketing automation plan limited, but e-commerce marketing plan unlimited. Number of seats just 1, and marketing automation 3. E-commerce marketing plan 5. Email marketing plan don't provide sales funnel and webinar funnel, but other 2 plan also provide this 2 features. Guys, I hope now you can easily understand GetResponse pricing plan. Guys, GetResponse provide 30-day free trial premium plan. If you want, you can choose any premium plan for 30 days. If you think GetResponse is don't perfect for you, you can easily refund your money because they provide 30-day money back guarantee. You can easily find this GetResponse link in my description box. If you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.